Okay, welcome back. Check your answers. See how you did for these. If you're having trouble, if you didn't get those threes, please raise your hand now so that I can come around and help you with these ideas of these rules that you're learning for exponents. Okay, assuming all is going well, we're going to continue on. We have one last rule to learn, and that's what happens if we're dividing. What if I have a power divided by a power, x to the third divided by x squared? If we can expand that out, x to the third is x times x times x squared is x times x. Remember that if I divide anything by itself, I get 1. If I take the value 3 and divide by 3, it comes out to be 1. If I take the value 103 and divide by 103, I get 1. If I simply take any value, we'll call it x, and divide by itself, we get, hopefully you're thinking, 1. So what you're seeing here is that we're dividing 1x with 1x and calling it 1. X divided by x is 1. X divided by x is 1. And so if I have x times 1, it simplifies to x. So here again, they started it for you. We have a to the 5th divided by a to the 3rd. So we have 5a's divided by a multiplication of 3a's. Every x divided by x, or in this case a divided by a, that's one pair, that divides to 1. Here's another a divided by a, that divides to 1. Here's another a divided by a, that divides to 1. And I have to look at what remains. What I have remaining is 2a's multiplied together. And so that gives me, and they're on the top of the fraction, so they're divided by 1. If we divide by 1, that doesn't change anything. It gives me a squared. Okay, now it's our turn to try it all ourselves. We have t to the 4th divided by t. Writing it out expanded means I have t multiplied by itself 4 times divided by t. Since there's 1 t in the bottom and 4 t's on the top, I'm able to divide away one set of t's. T divided by t becomes 1, and I have 3 t's left over to have a t cubed. Okay, I'm going to have you go ahead and try it. Try these next 3. Pause the video so that you can try it on your own, and then come back and start it up and see how you did. Okay, hopefully you have those 3 done. Here's our expanded form. I have 6 x's multiplied together on the top, 3 x's multiplied together on the bottom, reducing 3, 1 pair, 2 pairs, 3 pairs, and I have 3 x's left on the top, so I get x cubed. Okay, trying with the d's, I have 8 d's on the top, and 1 d on the bottom. So I'm only able to reduce 1 pair. D divided by d is 1. And I have 7 d's left on top, so I get d to the 7th. And here we go again. What am I doing mathematically to figure this out? So if I can't write it all out, I'm not going to put 27 v's and 17 v's. What do I need to do? Well, let's look at our values. When I had 6 x's, I divided away 3 of them. So I took away 3. Take away, what operation does that indicate? Here I had 8, I took away 1. Hopefully we're thinking subtraction. Taking away indicates subtraction. Here, if I subtract v to the 27th minus 17th, I get v to the 10th. 27 minus 17 is 10. So our quotient rule is x to the a divided by x to the b comes out to be x to the a minus b. Okay. Now, these last 3, you have a set of problems where you're going to decide which rule to use. So try these 3. Once you got them done, start the next video.